Hello and welcome back to another cocktail recipe video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Rajwul and I post videos on cocktail recipes, bar reviews, distillery tour and alcohol reviews. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mint julep. This cocktail is based with gin, mint, bourbon and crushed ice. And don't forget the sugar. Mint julep is an iconic bourbon cocktail that you definitely don't want to miss. Drinks that are sometimes so popular seem so difficult, but the recipes are incredibly easy with few ingredients. Besides the mint bourbon sugar, the only other requirement is a crushed ice. Using a regular ice would change the entire cocktail. So you gotta take your time and get some ice crushed to get this cocktail before you do any mixtures. So let's get started. So take your glass. You can use any glass at home that you have. Add about 5 to 6 mint leaves. Okay, the entire thing is coming. And add about 2 to 3 sugar cubes. So take your sugar, or you could use sugar syrup or normal sugar as well. There you go. Take your muddler and just give it a muddle to it. The mint julep is the traditional drink of the Kentucky Derby, which has helped propel the cocktail's popularity. Tens of thousands of mint juleps are served at the Churchill Downs in Louisville, and countless are more enjoyed by the fans watching the race throughout the country. With a balance of sweet and smoky and herbal flavor, the mint julep is deliciously enjoyed all year long. So after giving a nice muddle, extracting the oil and the flavor out of it, you got to add about 60 ml of your bourbon. There you go. And for this you need crushed ice, so take your time, get some ice crushed. You gotta crush it well, guys, and directly pour it in your glass. There you go. Take your bar spoon and get a nice. This is an interesting cocktail. So to complete your drink, take a nice mint sprig and put it in the glass. There you go. I'll take another one. I think I'll take this one. So guys, there you go. That's your mint julep. Enjoy. Cheers. Drop me a comment below if you want to see any other different variation based on mint juleps, and I'll make sure I'll get back to you. There you go. Thanks for watching. Leave a like. Drop me a comment below. Let me know what you want to see in the next video, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Until then, peace and enjoy.